Now, Senate Bill 1267 is awaiting Governor Josh Green's signature. If approved, it would be the first step in allowing people who have experienced abuse in Hawaii to get a restraining order regardless of the state they live in right now. That would help to provide protection when they visit Hawaii. KITV4's Chloe Markley is live with the founder of Restraining Orders Without Borders, who has helped shape this landmark legislation. Good morning, Chloe.
Yeah, good morning, Cynthia. Well, thousands of people here in Hawaii have been sexually assaulted but are currently not being protected, including Naziha Khan, who I'm joined with today. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So tell me about these bills and why you're so passionate about it.
Yeah, so I was born and raised in Hawaii. I moved to California 3 years ago, and while I was visiting my family here in Hawaii last year, I was sexually assaulted. I went back to California and filed for a restraining order, and after 4 months of really exhausting and traumatic court hearings, it was denied. So I tried again here in Hawaii, and it was denied again because in Hawaii, the law only allows residents to file for a restraining order for when they're survivors of sexual and domestic violence. I realized while I was representing myself in court that millions of people are exposed to these same laws. And I just felt so much rage and hurt about it, and I tried to find a way to channel it, and that way was to do a bill and to try to change that law.
Yes, and it now has passed the House and Senate. How does that make you feel?
It feels surreal, I think. I couldn't even imagine it being introduced, much less it getting this far. So I'm really glad that the lawmakers saw the value of the bill and were on board with protecting survivors.
Now talk to us about who this exactly will be protecting.
So this bill protects anybody who is not a resident of Hawaii and has been assaulted either in Hawaii or by a perpetrator who lives in Hawaii. That includes students, people who are visiting, people who are here for work. That also includes people who are minors or incapacitated. There was an amendment by the Hawaii judiciary that included them if they couldn't file for a restraining order themselves. Somebody can file on their behalf.